The second wizard in our list is the product lines wizard. If I click Start, this will walk me through putting in all of the different types of photography that I offer my clients. I'll click OK and be asked if I do weddings. The default will always be set to no, so if you do weddings, just change this to yes and hit Next. Do you do senior portraits? If I click yes to this window, Successware will allow me to categorize the different high schools that I work with. By categorizing the different high schools I work with, I'll be able to keep track of how much I'm selling at different schools. I'll be able to report if I'm doing more sessions at one school versus another. Just continue through the wizard, answering yes or no to the different types of photography you offer. You will be asked if you do studio portraits as well as location portraits. Within Successware, we do separate these two types of photography out. It will help to have the most accurate reports if you answer each and separate out location versus studio portraits. Do you do activities, sports teams, dances, and so on? If you do commercial photography, answer yes or no. Copy and restoration, if you provide those services, we have an option for that as well. Promotions. If you do any kinds of promotions, be sure to click yes, and the next window will allow you to put in what types of promotions you do. It's going to ask if you sell the same products through every promotion. If they're different, you'll have an option to break down and categorize each of your promotions. Once you've completed all of the wizards through the product line section, you'll have a review window. Make sure everything looks accurate and you don't have any typos. If there are any typos, if you have to go back, you can just use the previous button to go back all the way to the beginning of the product line wizard. Otherwise, if everything looks okay, just click OK and it'll bring up your next window for you. We now have our green check mark next to our product lines wizard.